Stop paying contractors $500 for jobs you can do yourself in 2 hours. These 17 Amazon tools literally pay for themselves after one project. I've tested each one and saved thousands while getting professional results. Whether you're building furniture, renovating, or starting a side hustle, this list has you covered. By the end, you'll know exactly what to buy and why. Let's dive in. 18-gauge Brad Nailer Stapler. This 2-in-1 cordless nail gun works with dual 20-volt batteries and eliminates the hassle of manual hammering. The brushless motor delivers professional power, while the dual trigger safety system prevents accidents. Perfect for furniture building, trim work, and quick home repairs. It comes with 1,000 nails and 1,000 staples ready to go. Thousands of dyers rely on this daily because it cuts project time in half and delivers contractor quality results without the premium price tag. Proster Digital Angle Finder. Accurate angle measurements make or break woodworking projects. And this digital protractor eliminates guesswork completely. The backlit LCD screen works in any lighting, while the magnetic base locks onto metal surfaces instantly. It measures 0 to 225 degrees with 0.5 degree precision, saving you from costly cutting mistakes. Professional carpenters trust this for crown molding, furniture building, and precise miter cuts. Stop wasting materials on wrong angles and start getting perfect cuts every single time. Bora Quick-Cut Circular Saw Guide. Cutting perfect angles with a circular saw used to require complex calculations and multiple measurements. This aluminum guide eliminates all guesswork with for pre-marked angles at 20 to 0.5, 45, 60, and 90 degrees plus dual metric and inch scales. The 14-inch rail system ensures laser-straight cuts every time, while the lightweight construction moves effortlessly across materials. Professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts rely on this because it replaces for separate guides, while delivering flawless accuracy that prevents costly material waste from bad cuts. Makita 18 volts Cut-Off Tool. This brushless cordless cut-off tool spins at 20,000 RPM and slices through metal, rebar, and steel like butter. The ergonomic design allows one-handed operation while the forward and reverse modes adapt to any cutting angle. Professional contractors choose Makita because the brushless motor delivers twice the runtime of standard tools. Whether you're cutting exhaust pipes, metal studs, or reinforcement bars, this tool eliminates the limitations of corded equipment and powers through the toughest materials effortlessly. Britain Rafter Square with Level. This 7-inch aluminum square combines multiple tools into one compact design. The patented pivot arm locks at any angle while built-in level vials ensure perfect horizontal and vertical alignment. Roofers and framers depend on this for cutting rafters, checking angles, and marking layout lines without switching between 3 different tools. The high contrast black and green markings stay visible in bright sunlight. Stop carrying a heavy tool belt and streamline your workflow with this all-in-one solution. That saves time on every measurement. Metal Concealed Hinge Jig. Installing cabinet hinges perfectly aligned seems impossible until you use this metal drilling jig. The quick clamp system secures to any door edge in seconds, while the dual bearing guides ensure zero wobble during drilling. It includes a 35mm bit and works for all standard European hinges. Thousands of cabinet installers switch from plastic jigs because this aluminum construction delivers professional accuracy every time. Stop drilling crooked holes that ruin expensive cabinet doors and start getting flawless hinge placement on the first attempt. Wagner Detail Finish Nozzle Kit. Brush strokes ruin otherwise perfect paint jobs, but this fine finish nozzle creates flawless spray patterns on furniture and cabinets. The adjustable flow control lets you customize coverage, while the precision tip eliminates overspray completely. It's compatible with Wagner HVLP sprayers and transforms them into professional finishing tools. Furniture refinishers love this because it delivers showroom quality results that would cost thousands at a body shop. Stop settling for visible brush marks and start achieving that glass-smooth factory finish professionals charge premium prices for. Miter Clamps for woodworking. Perfect 45-degree corners separate amateur projects from professional work, and these clamps make them effortless. The one-handed chem lock generates massive clamping pressure, while 8 hardened steel teeth bite into wood without slipping. Frame makers and trim carpenters rely on these for windows, doors, picture frames, and cabinet trim. The solid metal construction outlasts plastic alternatives by years. Stop fighting with misaligned corners that gap open after gluing and start creating seamless joints That look machine made every single time. SESII cordless reciprocating saw. This brushless cordless saw cuts through wood, metal, and plastic at 3,500 strokes per minute without any power cords limiting your movement. 240Ah batteries ensure all-day runtime, while the LED work light illuminates dark spaces perfectly. The tool-free blade change system swaps blades in 3 seconds flat. Demolition crews and remodelers choose this because it combines premium power with budget-friendly pricing. Stop wrestling with extension cords during demolition work and start cutting anywhere with unlimited mobility and consistent cutting performance. Scheinbach abrasive wire brush. Stripping old finishes and smoothing wood surfaces becomes effortless with this 120 grit nylon abrasive wheel. The 120 by 100 mm rotary brush removes paint and creates textured surfaces without the aggressive damage of metal wire brushes. Furniture restoration experts prefer this because it cleans wood grain beautifully while preserving the natural texture underneath. It mounts on any standard drill or grinder. Stop spending hours hand sanding old furniture and start achieving professional refinishing results in a fraction of the time with minimal effort. Craig Foreman pocket hole machine. Manual pocket hole jigs waste time and strain your arms, but this electric machine drills perfect holes automatically at 2,800 RPM. The 110 volts motor delivers consistent depth, while the fixed settings eliminate measurement errors completely. Professional cabinet makers use this because it doubles productivity while maintaining flawless accuracy. The compact design fits any workshop without taking up valuable bench space. Stop drilling pocket holes by hand like it's 1990 and start producing furniture-grade joinery that rivals $1,000 equipment at a fraction of the cost. Sigerio 4-in-1 router bracket. This aluminum alloy router guide handles circle cutting, groove milling, edge trimming, and pattern work with one adjustable tool. The 4-in-1 design replaces multiple expensive jigs, while the adjustable arms accommodate any router size. Woodworkers love this because it creates perfect circles and curves that look CNC machined. Stop buying separate jigs for every routing operation and start tackling complex cuts with professional precision. This single bracket delivers the versatility of an entire jig collection while taking up minimal storage space in your workshop. The 7-in-1 moisture meter. Hidden moisture destroys home slowly, but this dual-mode scanner detects problems before costly damage appears. It switches between pin and non-invasive scanning, while 7 material settings work for wood, drywall, concrete, and brick. Home inspectors depend on this because it reveals moisture issues invisible to the naked eye. The digital display shows exact readings instantly. Stop guessing about potential water damage and start identifying problem areas early when repairs cost hundreds instead of thousands. This tool literally pays for itself by preventing one major moisture disaster. Deglassers for by 360 green laser level. This self-leveling laser projects for 360-degree green lines that cover entire rooms for perfect alignment on walls, floors, and ceilings. The 40-hour battery life powers through multi-day projects while the remote control adjusts settings from across the room. Contractors prefer green lasers because they're 4 times more visible than red in bright conditions. The automatic leveling engages in seconds. Stop checking bubble levels every few feet and start laying out entire rooms with laser accuracy. That guarantees professional results on tile, drywall, and electrical installations. Beavercraft S15 wood carving set. This 5-piece carving set includes everything beginners need to start with sculpting safely and effectively. Each tool features ergonomic wooden handles and comes with protective blade covers for safe storage. The variety of blade shapes tackles different carving techniques from rough shaping to fine detail work. Over 10,000 hobbyists chose this as their first carving set because the quality matches professional tools at beginner-friendly prices. Stop dreaming about wood carving and start creating custom gifts, decorations, and art pieces that showcase your growing skills and creativity. Going make shelf pin drilling jig. Drilling evenly spaced shelf pin holes transforms from tedious guesswork into quick precision work. With this metal template, the 7 hardened guide holes and adjustable positioning pin ensure perfect alignment every time. Cabinet makers switch from plastic templates because this aluminum construction never warps or wears out. It handles 1/4-inch pins for all standard shelf systems. Stop measuring and marking individual holes that end up crooked and start drilling 7 perfectly aligned holes simultaneously. This jig turns amateur shelf installations into professional-grade cabinetry. that customers actually pay premium prices for. 14-piece Carpenter Pencils. These 7-inch Carpenter pencils feature thick HB graphite that marks clearly on rough lumber and won't break under pressure. The flat wooden body prevents rolling, while the included sharpener and metal clip holster keep everything organized. The 14-piece pack ensures you'll never run out during critical measurements. Construction crews prefer these over regular pencils because they mark visible lines on any surface and last significantly longer. Stop losing round pencils that roll off every surface and start marking accurately with professional-grade tools that stay exactly where you place them on the job site.